Over here we've got crosses, and now they're changing colour. So what they can do is they can find someone anywhere on the stage. So there they go, searching around. And we can also, with our lights, make things like lightning. Here we go, the light's going to flash like there's lightning. There we go. And Colin up there can also control the sound. So he can add a sound effect. Really eerie. Yeah, it is awesome, isn't it? Yeah, so each of these lights gets controlled separately. And also we can make blackout, where it all goes dark. You can, can't you? Just